awesome science buddies. Good morning. Welcome to your science class. Let's recall our previous topic from the last lesson. Direction: draw a circle if the sentence is correct and a triangle if it is incorrect. Number 1. Science greatly contributes to the development of the country. Correct answer is circle. Number 2. The medicine we take when we are sick has no connection to science. The correct answer is triangle. Number 3. Household appliances like washing machine and vacuum make household easier. The correct answer is circle. Number 4. Using computers, cell phones, and other gadgets, communication between people become faster. Answer is circle. And last, we don't need to research to find answer to our question. Correct answer is triangle. Good job, kids! Before we start our lesson, I will tell you a story. Ezekiel and his group were assigned to go to the garden to observe the things they could see around them. While he was walking, he noticed that the colorful flowers, trees, leaves, and butterflies. He sat down and observed the things around him. While looking at these things, he took a pencil and wrote something down. The flowers have different colors and shapes. The butterflies have various wings, patterns, and all the leaves around are green. Ezekiel discovered many things while observing the garden. Because of their assignment, he wrote and drew what he observed around him. The teacher was delighted with Ezekiel's project submission. He completed the task with great clarity and excellent organization. Let's answer the following question. Number 1. Where did the teacher send Ezekiel? Number 2. What did their teacher ask them to do in the garden? Number 3. What did he notice about things around him? Number 4. What did he do with the things he saw? And number 5. How did his teacher feel about his work? What activity did the child do to see the difference in the things around him? Well done! Observation was the skills used to see the differences among the flowers, butterflies, and leaves in the garden. Today, we will discuss the science process skills. But before that, this is the objectives. The student will be able to 1. Identify and describe the different science process skills used in learning science. 2. Show curiosity and interest in the performing science activities both inside and outside the classroom. Third, Third, demonstrate proper use of tools and techniques when performing science experiment and observations. Hello, young scientists. Have you ever wondered how we discover new things about the world? It's like being detective, asking questions, looking closely and finding out cool answers. Today, we're going to learn some awesome science skills that will help you explore, experiment, and solve mysteries all around you. Get ready to become a super scientist and have fun learning how to investigate. Let's explore the importance of science process skills that will guide us in our journey of discovery. This is the science process skill. First is observing or pagmamasid. This is a skill where we describe the appearance of things around us and record any changes. We use our senses to perform these skills. Observing is done by using five senses: the seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting only when safe, and touching to gather information about objects or events around you. Here how observing is done. First, look closely at the object or situation. Example, what color, shape, or size it is. Second, use other senses if possible. Example, that is make a sounds. Why does it feel or smell like? Third, take notes or record what you see, hear, or feel. Example, write down or draw your observations. Fourth, notice any changes over time. Examples, did the object move, grow, or change color? And last, ask questions about what you observed to learn more. This is the example. What kind of animals or insects lays this kind of eggs? Why do they lay eggs on leaves? And how many eggs can they lay? So this is the example of observation. The second skills is inferring or paghihinuha. This is a thinking process that gives opinion and conclusion based on observations and specific evidence. Inferring is done by using what you observe and what you already know to make a smart guess or conclusion about something. So here how inferring is done. First, observe carefully. Look at what is happening or what you see. Like the ground is wet. Think about what you already know. You use past experience or knowledge. I know that the ground gets wet when it's rain. Third, make a conclusion or guess. Combine your observation and knowledge. So your conclusion is it's probably rain. So this is the example. Based on what is shown in the picture, what can be inferred from it? The butterfly is the mother of the eggs. Since the plants are the food of butterfly, they lay their eggs there. So that's the example of inferring. The third is classifying or pag-uuri. This is the process of grouping or classifying objects. It helps us better understanding the relationship and connection between the events. Classifying or classification is done by grouping objects, animals, or things based on their similarity and differences. It helps us organize information so we can understand it better. So here how classification is done. First, look at their characteristic, like size, shape, color, use, or materials. Second, identify what is the same and what is different. Are they all round? Are some soft and other hard? Third, group the objects that share similar features. Put all round objects together or all green leaves in one groups. Fourth, label or name the groups, and then this is help to make your classification clear. Group of soft leaves or group of shiny objects. This is the example. The example of grouping of shape. It's classified according to their shapes, size, and colors. And the last skills is measuring or pagsukat. This is a process where objects can be measured or estimate based on their appearance. The weight, length, and mass of an object can be measured. Measuring is done by using tools or estimating to find out the size, length, weight, or amount of something. It helps us get exact and accurate information about the object. So here, how measuring is done. First, choose what you want to measure. Do you want to know how long, how heavy, or how much something is? 2. Pick the right measuring tool. First, ruler or tape to measure for length and height. Weighting scale or weighing scale for weight and mass. Measuring cup for volume or liquid amount. Use the tool properly. Make sure to measure from the correct starting point and read the number carefully. Fourth, record the measurement. Don't forget to write the unit. Example of centimeter, grams, or liters. So now last, estimate when tools are not available. You can use the hard, foot, or object for approximate measurement. This is the example of measuring. How big are the wings of the butterfly? We can use ruler to measure each of its wings. Science helps us better understanding the things around us. By using the processes of scientific skills, we can understand meaning more clearly and solve problems through observing, inferring, classifying, and measuring. Let's go to your activity. Direction. Identify the scientific skill being described in each number. You will use the word observing, measuring, inferring, classifying, or science process skills. Number 1. Giving an inference based on what was observed and the evidence presented. The correct answer is inferring o paghihinuha. Number 2. Describes and record important characteristics. The correct answer is observing o pagsusuri. Number 3. Measuring objects with exact length, amount, and weight. The correct answer is measuring or pagsukat. Number 4. Grouping objects according to their characteristics. The correct answer is classifying o pag-uuri. And last, help people solve the problem or challenges they face. The correct answer is science process skills. Good job, children! For your second activity, direction, identify the scientific skills based on the given example. using observing, measuring, inferring, or classifying skills. Number 1, separating waste according to its type. Correct answer is classifying. Number 2, growth of a plant. The correct answer is observing. Number 3, death of animals in the ocean. The correct answer is inferring. 4, pouring the correct amount of liquid in a container. The correct answer is measuring. And last, effects of cutting down trees in the forest. The correct answer is inferring. Remember, science helps us better understanding the things around us. By using the processes of scientific skills, we can understand meaning more clearly and solve problems through observing, inferring, classifying, and measuring. For your last activity, direction, choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, grouping of objects according to their characteristics. A, classifying. B, observing. C, inferring. Number 2, after observing a plant's yellow leaves, what is the best conclusion? A, the plant needs more sunlight or water. B, the plant is growing well. C, the pot is too colorful. Number 3, you need to find out how long a pencil is. What should you do? A, guess its size using your hand. B, measure it using a ruler. C, compare it with another pencil. Number 4, which of the following shows that a student is using the skills of classifying? A, measuring the height of a plant. B, grouping leaves based on shape. C, watching how butterfly moves. Number 5, which of the following is the best reason for using science skills in daily life? A, to play with tools. B, to understand and solve real problems. C, to make guessing more fun. Good job, kids. For your assignment, direction, look around your home and school or garden. Find at least one object for each science skills below. Write or draw what you found in your notebook. Then, explain how you used each science skills. Example, science skills is observing. Object found, a plant in the garden. What did you do? I look at its leaves and color. Then what did you learn? I noticed that it was starting to rewilt because it lacked of water. Thank you for listening, kids. I hope you have learned our lesson for today. Good job and see you next time. Goodbye!